So here we start. So first of all, I want to thank you, sir, for your kindness, and I literally don't have words to express my gratitude towards you. And apart from it, through all these six SML sessions, what I have learned is has totally transformed my perspective, the way I am seeing, the way I am handling my own thoughts and emotions. And it has what I have seen is that all these things have never been taught to me in my schooling in have never been told to me by my teachers and in the society in which I live, and it should be taught to everyone, the way you handle your own thoughts, the way you handle your own emotions, where to withdraw, where to be, where to act, and you have to figure out and you have to realize that at several places the best thing is that you should withdraw yourself. You have to be, you have to be so patient, you have to be silent from, especially from inside, because sometimes what happens is that we still, the conflicts comes and goes, but the conflict inside our brain, it never end. The conflict in our mind still active, and it literally creates a lot of problem. And and how's my perspective changes that before it, my sometimes it happens that unfortunate things happens with you in past, and there are a lot of things which might happen to anyone, but it's totally up to you how you see all these things, how what's your perspective about all these things. And you can't let your past, influence your future to spoil your present, especially. And sometimes what I see is, what I observe is that we ignore all these things because we generally avoid all these situations, all those peoples which can trigger the emotions, all these things which can hinder our own internal emotions and thoughts, and yeah, our internal environment which can create which can create a literally anxiety in our own self. So we generally avoid in really, in outside the world. And all these SMLs, what I feel that has to do more with our own self. How do we handle our own thoughts and emotions? Although what society teaches us that you and the society is much more focused outside the world, but the main issue and the main conflict is inside our own mind. Once if we resolve the conflict, the 90% of the problems just gone, because 90% of the problem is being created by mind. It's you know it's totally a fiction created by mind. It's manifested by mind, and it's nurtured by mind. But when we get to realize about all these things, the way we are thinking, the way we withdraw ourselves, it literally helps a lot to resolve all these things. And the remaining 10% still, you have to work on it. And for that there are different aspects on which you have to work on your own self. If you are emotionally weak, you have to see where you are going wrong, where, because sometimes what happens that we are not putting enough efforts and the right efforts. If we will not put the right efforts, then right things won't be happen to us. So the most important thing is that put your efforts in the right direction. And the there are several new concepts here, especially the CCC: connect, convey, convince. So sometimes, especially in me, what I was doing wrong is that I was directly jumping on convincing. But what have to be done is that you have to first connect with the people, with your dear ones, with your loved ones, with your close ones. Then you convey your ideas, your thoughts, and how you are seeing things. And then you convince them to, to let you do all these things. But all these things have never been taught to us. So we do a lot of wrong things. So it's a very important thing which should be taught to everyone, especially during our schooling. Because in schooling, if we develop, it would be very good for us, because in future we have to take a lot of decisions. So those decisions would be coming from our wisdom, through our knowledge, through our skills that we have developed during our schooling. But all these things never happens to most of us in school. So it's an unfortunate, but we can't do anything to it. But since now I'm here I'm enough mature to be aware, to realize where does things has gone wrong, and how to deal with it now, how to resolve all these things now. There might be some still 10, there might be, just I have mentioned that 90% of the things are just a manifestation of a mind. So still 10% remain, still 10% would be realistic problem. You have to be, you have to act to resolve all these things. And for that, what I see is that sometimes you have to pay the price. Sometimes you have to be, it might hurt to your ego, because sometimes what happens, especially in my case, what I see is that I used to identify myself with my identity in such a way that I can't withdraw myself. So what happens that we, instead of resolving conflicts, we increases the problem. So it is one of the most important thing, that you should know how to withdraw yourself, how to calm down yourself, how to be silent, especially inside your mind. So it's very important to deal with your own self before you start resolving outside the world. It's most important to resolve your inner world. If your inner world is resolved out, then it would be much more easier. You can resolve all. What I can see is that I can resolve outside my world with at ease. Otherwise it would create a lot of disturbance inside me. Instead of resolving, I can create, much bigger problems for my own self. So it's very important to resolve your own inner conflicts. So that's, and the importance of skills. The skills were very important, and all these SML, what I see is that all these things are skills. It's our training on, and it's totally focused on working and developing your own skills to deal with your own thoughts and emotion, where to withdraw, how to analyze. The most important thing is, sometimes we withdraw but we don't analyze things. So if we don't analyze things, why did all these things happen, where did I gone wrong, what should I supposed to do, and what I have done which I shouldn't supposed to do. So by analyzing all these things, we can do right things next time. So it's very important. So apart from all of these things, I want to literally thank you. I don't have words to express my gratitude towards you. It has totally through all these six videos, through all these six SML sessions that I have gone through, it has totally transformed my perspective, the way I am seeing my past. Yeah, there might be something wrong there might be, it may happens to anyone that something may happen wrong in your past, but you can't let your past to influence your future, to spoil your present. So somewhere you have to transform all these things. You have to transform your perspective, the way you are handling your past. You have to resolve all these things, otherwise it won't be good.